Hello, this is to explain about mixed numbers and fractions, improper fractions or top-heavy fractions. So here we can see that we have divided our 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So we're dealing with fifths on the bottom. But we've got 1, 2, 3 and 2 fifths here. Or another way of looking at it is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 fifths. So if I want to write that as a mixed number, I can say it's 1, 2, 3, and an extra 2 fifths, so 3 and 2 fifths. As a fraction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and these are all fifths, so that's 17 fifths. So if somebody asked me to convert 17 fifths into a mixed number, then I would say how many 5s go into 17, and there are 3. 3 5s are 15, and I have 2 left over, so I have 3 wholes and 2 fifths left over. If somebody asked me to convert 3 and 2 fifths into a mixed number, then I would change I would multiply 3 by 5. There are 5 fifths in 1, there are twice as many in 2, 3 times as many in 3, so there are 3 5s are 15 fifths in 3, plus another 2 fifths would be 17 fifths. And here, if somebody told me I had 31 eighths, then I need to find out how many 8s go into 31. My 8 times table, 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32. So 4 is too many, it's got to be 3 8s are 24. I subtract 24 from 31 to get 7. So I have 1, 2, 3 whole numbers, 3 8s are 24, plus another 7 8s left over. If I was to divide 31 by 8, I would get 3 remainder 7. So it is 3 and 7 eighths. You can divide the top number by the bottom number any way you know, bus stop method, calculator, or whatever, and that would be a good thing. And in this example, if somebody told me I have a mixed number of 3 and 2 ninths, then I've got to think about how many ninths there are in 1. There are 9. 3 nines are 27. So the 3 here would be 27 ninths, plus another 2 ninths would be 29 ninths. And we can count them if we wanted to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So that is 29 ninths, and that gives me my answer. Mixed numbers and improper or top-heavy fractions. When you see a fraction with a larger number in front of it, this is a mixed number. This is 2 and 2/3. It means 2 and 2/3. When we have a fraction where the number at the top, the numerator, is bigger than the number at the bottom, the denominator, we have a top-heavy fraction or an improper fraction. Like 5/3 or 8/4 or 9/2. So you need to be able to turn mixed numbers into top-heavy fractions and turn top-heavy fractions into mixed numbers. Let's look at the second one. Improper fractions to mixed numbers. 14 over 3, which is 14 divided by 3. How many 3's go into 14? 4. What's the remainder? 2. So we can make 4 wholes and we have 2/3 left over. So 14 over 3 is 4 2/3. 19 over 5. How many 5's go into 19? 3 5's, that's 15. What's the remainder? 4. So we can make 3 wholes and we have 4/5 left over. 3 and 4/5. 31 over 10, 31 tenths. How many 10's go into 31? 3. What's the remainder? 1. So we can make 3 wholes and we have 1/10 left over. 31 over 10. 31 tenths is the same. So how about turning mixed numbers to top-heavy fractions? 3 and 1/10. Well, we multiply these two numbers together, the big number and the number on the bottom, and 3 10s are 30, and add on the number on the top. So 30 plus 1 is 31. That's going to be our new top number, and the number on the bottom stays the same. So this is 31 over 10, 31 tenths. 5 3/4. Multiply the two numbers together. 5 times 4 is 20. Add on the number on the top, so 20 plus 3 is 23. That will be my top number. The number on the bottom will stay the same, so this is 23/4. And 6 2/5. Multiply the 6 and the 5 to get 30. Add on the number on the top, which is 2, to get 32. That's my top number. The number on the bottom stays the same, and I've got 32/5.